Now I'm going to go ahead and take the coil packs out. Just get them out of the way. There's one. Two. Three. Four. 5 and 6. And then we will take out the spark plugs with a 5/8 socket. Alright, and that's the last one there. Next I'm going to take the positive battery terminal connector loose here. And I do have the battery disconnected in the trunk, by the way. So that way we won't have any shorts anywhere if I'm taking wires loose and they bump up against the ground somewhere. That's going to just kind of play it safe there. And if we take the nut off, okay, so we're going to get that out of the way next. So with the battery cable loose, you can just pull this over here out of the way. And next I'm going to take the coil wiring harness for the coil packs. We're going to take this out, which is connected here, and kind of get it out of the way as well. Maybe tough to see there with this piece of plastic that holds the wiring. You just have to take a flathead screwdriver, put it down in here, and bend these clips back very gently. Okay, there's one. And you just kind of pry it out of there. Okay, and there's a little, looks like a ground wire here, probably about a 10 millimeter. We need to see if we can get that loose too. Let's see, it's not that. Okay, looks like that's going to be an 8 millimeter. Found a wrench here, hopefully. We'll just go ahead and put this nut back on the post so I don't lose it. Okay. So with this loose, just put it off to the side as well. Just get it out of the way.